So I'm coming up on my 1-year anniversary on YouTube on July 25th, 2021. And way back in one of my very first videos, I did a tour of my knitting bag. And from that video on, I've gotten a lot of questions about where I've gotten some of the bags that I keep projects or my knitting supplies in. Unfortunately, a lot of those questions are about these bags that are made by Fringe Supply, and Fringe Supply is no longer making bags. But once I decided to make this video about my project bags, I woke up the very next morning to news that Grainline Studio is releasing a pattern, and they even have kits with all of the things that you need and a paper pattern so that you can get started making your own field bag, even though Fringe Supply is no longer making these. So I figured I'd make this video to show you some of my other favorite project bags and even give you an opportunity to win a kit to make your own field bag, thanks to the amazing people at Grainline Studio. I'm so excited to be doing yet another giveaway, so if you want to find out how you can win this field bag kit and the paper pattern to make your field bag, then stick around. Hey, welcome back to Drowning in Yarn. I'm Caleb. I love all the accessories that you can use in knitting, and project bags are one of my favorite. Even though the last year hasn't really given me many opportunities to take my projects with me on the go, this coming year, starting in summer 2021 and on, is gonna be full of opportunities to go places with my projects again. And so I thought, what better time than now to show you my project bags. But before I jump in, I just wanna remind you while you're watching, if you're enjoying this video, hit that little like button down below. And if you haven't already, and you wanna stick around to see entertaining, informative, and inspiring videos about knitting and yarn, then hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it to get notifications when I post new content. But now that we have that out of the way, let's look at some project bags. So I figured I would show you the first bag that I ever showed on my channel, which was my town bag by Fringe Supply. Unfortunately, this bag, though it's the one that I get the most questions about, is not available. It's made by Fringe Supply, and they unfortunately stopped making bags last year. But the bags that I get the second most questions about on this channel are also made by Fringe Supply, and these you can make. These are called field bags, and Grainline Studios actually put out a pattern so you can buy all the pieces and make one yourselves. Grainline Studio also puts out kits for these bags, which at the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can have a chance to win one of your own. But if you don't wanna miss an opportunity to make a field bag of your own with the actual fabric and supplies that Fringe Supply originally used to make field bags, head over to Grainline Studios website, purchase a kit, and maybe you'll win as well, and then you'll have two amazing field bags like I do. I absolutely love these bags. They're canvas and they feature a couple pockets on the inside, so there's plenty of room to put your notions and your needles and a sizable project. And they have this great leather handle and they close pretty securely, so you're not going to lose anything. So I was kind of sad to see that they stopped making them, but one of my other favorite bag makers makes a bag that I think is a perfect substitute if you're looking for that larger size to hold everything or just hold a really large project. I have these 3 bags here from Hide and Hammer. These bags are called number 3 iconic roll top bags, and they are super tall, so you can just open them up and roll them down and then fit a lot of stuff in here. Inside this bag, I have 10 skeins of this Rancho 3 from Brooklyn Tweed that I'm saving for a sweater project. I'm just keeping it inside this bag because it's so big. And they have lots of fun color combinations. I actually got this one from House of La Mode in Gresham, Oregon. My second one was this that I got on sale directly from Hide and Hammer, so it was shipped over from the UK. And at that same time, I bought this one for my boyfriend for his birthday. So it is maybe a little excessive that I have 2 Hide and Hammer bags, but I only have 2. This one's not mine. But I absolutely love these bags because they're so big and they have those pockets on the inside to carry your notions, your needles, or anything else that you need to carry around with you. This handle is awesome because you can knit directly out of the bag, you can fold it up, carry it around, and the way they close is really clever. After you roll the bag down, you just bring this little strap over to the front and you clasp it closed with this other leather strap. It's so perfect for carrying a huge amount of stuff or a really small amount of stuff. I have found that they're so well made and the bag is really durable and great to carry with you on the go. Another bag maker that I really love is Paisley and Gold. A while ago last year, I showed you a pouch that I got from Paisley and Gold. It carries all my sock knitting accessories and it is exactly my aesthetic, which is earth toned canvas. I wanted to show you these other Paisley and Gold bags that I got since then. These are Hamilton bags by Paisley and Gold, and they come in 2 different sizes. These both belong to my boyfriend. I got them for him for gifts. This is the large Hamilton bag, which he uses for a sweater project, and this is his smaller one that he's used for a cowl. And I actually have a small Hamilton bag myself, and I use this size for a sock project. It's a great bag that has a square bottom, so it can actually hold a lot of stuff. So whenever you have your project in there and you set it down, it stays pretty nice and open, so you can knit right out of it. You can hold it by the strap and knit from it as well. I find so many knitting project bags seem to have these straps that let you kind of hold them and knit while you're standing or walking or talking or whatever. And I find that to be such a nice touch. I also love the drawstring. These bags are a little on the softer side, so they close up pretty tight, which is really nice. And I find that the aesthetic really matches those Fringe Supply bags, so it would match a field bag if you made one of your own. All of the Paisley and Gold bags are handmade here in the US. They're so affordable, they're so well made, and I absolutely love mine. So before we get into the giveaway, I just wanted to show you two of my favorite sock pouches that I use. This one is made by Beautiful Sister, who you've seen a lot if you've watched my channel since the beginning. It is a Clio bag. I really love this fabric, so I knew I had to have it as soon as I saw it. It is holding a sock project right now. It's perfect for that. I love to carry around a single sock and a single skein of yarn in this bag, and it's small enough that I can just throw it in any bag and go. And then this is a bag from Songbird Handmade, who was inspired to make this particular bag by Summer Lee, who you know I love, so I had to get one of these bags. It is a perfect pouch for a sock. You just fold the bag over, and then it sits really nicely with your sock in there. Right now I have an unfinished colorwork sock, my first colorwork sock that's been taking me forever, living inside this Summer Lee bag, and it's a Summer Lee pattern, so it's perfect for me. Those are two of my favorites. You'll definitely want to check them out as well. Let's get to the giveaway. So with this giveaway, the amazing people at Grainline Studio gave me a kit and a paper pattern so you can make your own field bag. The kit is to make a toffee colored bag, just like this one, and it comes with everything that you need, the grommets that are on the pocket on the inside, the leather for the strap, the cord to make the bag. The fabric is all pre-cut, and it's the exact same fabric that Fringe Supply used to make these bags that they used to make. If you want a chance to win this kit to make a field bag of your own from the lovely people at Grainline Studios, all you have to do to enter is leave a comment down below letting me know who makes your favorite project bag. This giveaway is open to legal residents of the United States of America, and all the other rules are in the description down below. The giveaway will be open until June 30th, 2021 at noon Central Time, and I cannot wait to see all of the project bags that you love and hopefully discover some new project bag makers myself. While you're down there leaving a comment to enter the giveaway, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it to get notifications when I post new knitting and yarn related videos, and hit that share button and share my videos with a friend if you think they'd be interested. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I can't wait to learn all about the different project bags that you guys love, and until next time, enjoy your knitting and I will see you later.